Hello everybody and welcome to my channel English Day with me. Today's lesson is indefinite articles A and AN. This is lesson number 1. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, let's go! So, we have two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Definite, we use the. Indefinite, we use a or an. Articles a and an, what does it mean, a or an? It means one person or one thing. For example, a boy, it means one boy. An apple means one apple. Okay? You get it? Good. Now, a noun, as you know, can be singular. It means one person or one thing, or can be plural. So, if the noun is singular, we use the article a and an. But if the noun is plural, we use no article. We call zero article. Okay, good. Now, let's move now to the rule for the article a. The rule says we use a before a noun which starts with a consonant. Okay, let me explain. As you know, in the alphabet, we have consonants and vowels. We have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. For example, when we say banana, banana is a singular. It's a noun, singular, starts with B, so we say a banana. Let's see more examples. For example, we have a car, a desk, a pot. As you see, these nouns are singular and start with a consonant. We have in the example number 1, consonant C. Example number 2, it's consonant D. Example number 3, consonant B. So, singular and start with a consonant, we use the article. Yes, the article A. Correct, very good. Okay, now let's move to the article an. The rule says we use an before a noun which starts with a vowel. So we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. For example, we have avocado. Avocado is a noun which is singular, starts with a vowel which is A. So the rule says we use the article an. We say an avocado. Let's see more examples. Example number 1, an apple. Number 2, an eraser. Number 3, an ice cream. Number 4, an orange. Number 5, an umbrella. So, as you see, in these examples, in these 5 examples, the nouns are what? Singular, very good. Are singular and start with what? Yes, say it. So now let's sum up or as a conclusion. For example, we say a nose, a student, a tall day, an avocado, an egg, an insect, zero article, doctors, chairs, ambassadors. Okay, good. Now let's practice. Write down A, an, and zero article. Here you have examples. Taxi, ant, flower, airplane, apple, ear, cat, English, boys. Yes, okay, try to think. Try to think and think. Yes, yes, come on. Okay, so number one. Yes, what shall we say in number one? Let's correct. Go. Answers are a taxi, an ant, a flower, an airplane, zero article, apples, an ear, zero article, Canadian boy. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and